guys, today we're going to brew stovetop coffee at home. To start with, our recipe is 1 part coffee to 8 parts water. So what does that mean? Let's dive in and take a look. So let's pull apart our brewing vessel, the stovetop maker. So in the water chamber, we're going to tear off our scales, make sure it's 0, and we're going to add our recipe in here, which is 160 grams of water to 20 grams of coffee. Perfect. And then we're going to put our coffee chamber in and re-tear and add our coffee in until we get to our 20 gram dose that we're looking for. So it's important to note the size of your brewing vessel. There are different size ones, and then just adjust the recipe with the ratio to match your brewing vessel. So it can kind of be a bit messy. You can sort of use your hands and other tools to sort of help guide your coffee in. But once you get it, you can also collapse it down, just giving it a light tap on the table. And then without tamping it, don't play with it, don't do anything, just screw the top on. And nice and tight with that seal there so no coffee leaks out. And let's brew it. So while it's brewing, you'll be able to see it straight away when it starts to come out the top there. And you keep note right at the end when it's sort of like mostly air and only a small amount of coffee, just take it off your heat straight away. Let's take a look. Alright, now that it's brewed, we just pour it into our cup. Now if you like nice and intense coffee, once it reaches a drinking temperature, feel free to just dive straight in. However, if you like your coffee with a dash of milk, it's fine to just add a dash at this point. However, if you like it black and that's a bit too intense for you, you can just add a touch of water until you sort of reach that balance of that intensity and sweetness. Enjoy.